गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं लखनऊ मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमेला झालावाड़। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन मनोहरम मालगोनकर की शॉर्ट स्टोरी अपर डिवीजन बाई लव। ठीक है, देखिए पहले थोड़ा सा मनोहर जी के बारे में जान लेते हैं। मनोहर मालगोनकर, जिसका जन्म 12 जुलाई 1913 में करवार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हुआ था और डेथ हुई इसकी 14 जून 2010 को। ठीक है, मनोहर मालगोनकर was an Indian author of both fiction and notification in the English language. He was also an army officer, a big name hunter, a civil servant, a mine owner and a farmer. ठीक है, मतलब ये आर्मी ऑफिसर भी थे, हंटर, ए बिग गेम हंटर, सिविल सर्वेंट, ए माइन ऑनर एंड ए फार्मर थे। ठीक है, देखिए मनोहर मालगोनकर was born in Jagalwet village, Karwar district near Londa in Belgaum district. His maternal grandfather had been governor of Gwalior state. He began his education in Belgaum. He later attended school in Dharwad and graduated from Mumbai University. After he joined the army and rose to the rank of lieutenant colonel in the Maratha light infantry. ठीक है, he retired from service at the age of 39. He also stood for parliament. Most of that activity was during the build-up to Indian independence and its aftermath, often the setting of his works. The social historical mechanics of the times form the backdrop of his novels, which are usually of action and adventure. He also wrote non-fiction, including biography and history. Malangonkar lived in a remote bungalow called Barfsa Bungalow, located at Jagalwet in Joida Taluka in Uttar Kannada district, Kannada. His only child, Sunita, who was educated at the famous Lawrence School, Sanwar, died in 1998. देखिए अब इनका शॉर्ट स्टोरी देखिए। इन अपर डिवीजन लव बाई मनोहर मालगोनकर वी हैव द थीम ऑफ एस्पायरेशंस, एस्केप, डिsillusion, लव, सेल्फ इम्पोर्टेंस एंड रिवेंज। Narrated in the first person by an unnamed man, the reader realizes after reading the story that Malgonkar may be exploring the theme of escape. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। The narrator is especially fond of Sunderwala, so much so that he has pictures of her on his wall at home. Also, on one occasion, so awestruck was the narrator that he ended up staring for some time at a picture of Sunderwala on the street. This may be important as Malgonkar may be highlighting the fact that the narrator likes to escape into a dream or fantasy world when it comes to Sunderwala. However, it is interesting that when the narrator does get a glimpse into Sunderwala real character, he does not like her. This may be significant as Malgonkar may be suggesting that all is not what it seems when it comes to one's fantasies or ड्रीम्स। ठीक है। If anything, Sundarwala is an unpleasant type of woman, considering herself to be more important than she really is. And really, it would appear that Sundarwala has very little time for anybody except for Ramakant. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। It is also interesting that narrator, while working on the film with Sundarwala, becomes disillusioned with her, and rather than finding her personality to be attractive, realizes that Sundarwala is not the person he thought she would be. ठीक है। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। The character that Sundarwala plays on screen obviously being different to the real Sundarwala, something that is noticeable when Sundarwala casts the narrator is biased when he attempts to pull the necklace from their neck. Through no fault of his own, the narrator gets blamed by Sundarwala for hurting her and is backed up by Ramakant. It is through this action that the narrator seeks revenge on Sundarwala and Ramakant. It is though the narrator's eyes have been opened. Just like the blind man mentioned in the story, the narrator can say again, and he realizes that Sundarwala and Ramakant are in fact not nice people. ठीक है। देखिए नेक्स्ट। It is also interesting that the narrator is proud of his efforts when he is working on the film. So proud, in fact, that he likes to let the reader know of his achievements. This may be important as the narrator has afforded the opportunity to escape from his lower division job as a clerk and mix with those he considers to be important. However, their importance does actually fade. ठीक है। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। It is as though reality knocks on the narrator's door and he realizes that the film industry is not what he thinks it is. Despite this, the narrator is not disheartened. If anything, he is perplexed, and it for this reason that he seeks revenge on Sundarwala and Ramakant. ठीक है। Though the narrators escaped with Ramakant might be considered to be farcical, they are still nevertheless effective. He achieves his goal of making sure that Sundarwala does not have the opportunity to sit beside the minister, with it being clear to the reader that the narrator is taking away Sundarwala power over him. ठीक है। Throughout the story, there is also a sense that Sundarwala is full of her own self-importance. At no stage does she stop outside the studio to talk to her fans. Rather, she drives straight into the studio and ignores them. ठीक है। Forgetting into the studio and ignores them, forgetting that her success is due to the fact that her fans worship her. This may be significant as Magdgonkar could be attempting to highlight the feat that make trust an actress are removed from reality. Though it may be a case that they create alternative worlds in their films. ठीक है। They also appear to live their lives as though they live in an alternative world. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। The end of the story is also interesting as the narrator, rather than giving up on his idolatry of film stars, shift his attention to another film star, Sheila Matti. The reader realizing that the energy that the narrator used to focus on Sundarwala will be used instead to pursue Sheila Matti. ठीक है, विच मे लीव सम टू सजेस्ट दैट द narrator himself has learned nothing but his experience. He continued to place others on a pedestal that they do not deserve to be placed in likelihood. The narrator's feelings will be hurt again, just as he has been hurt by Sundarwala and Ramakant. It might also be important that the narrator has the ability to shift his attention from one actress to the next, as there is a sense that should the narrator become disillusioned with Sheila Mati, as he did with Sundarwala. ठीक है, he will simply find another actress to focus his energies on. Throughout the story, the narrator had tried to escape from his own realities, holding on to his aspiration of greater things. Something that some critics might suggest is very normal for an individual to do, while others might suggest that narrator is attempting to live a fantasy. ठीक है, अभी आपकी पॉइंट थोड़ी संक्षेप में बता दिया, आपको उसे लर्न करना है.